With TruckLogics, you have a virtual truck zone where you can track and schedule truck service intervals for all of your equipment. You can set this feature up to send you reminders when your trucks or trailers need service. You can also mark trucks as inactive while they're in the shop for service so that there is no confusion during dispatching. Follow these simple steps to harness this great feature. To schedule maintenance, from your dashboard, click on the Add New button. Click the Maintenance button from the drop-down menu. Click Add Maintenance, and then Add Truck Maintenance from the drop-down menu. Select the truck, maintenance task, service interval, whether by time, mileage, or both. Select the date or mileage from which to calculate the service interval. Select your preferred vendor, click Save. The maintenance has been scheduled. To mark a truck inactive, go to the Truck Zone and click on the Trucks tab. Find the truck you wish to make inactive and click the pen symbol next to it. Uncheck the Include in Billing box and check the Not in Service box. Then select the reason for the drop-down menu. Click Continue. Now return to the Truck Zone and the truck will be marked inactive. To reactivate that truck, simply uncheck Not in Service and recheck Include in Billing and click Continue. Want to schedule truck service intervals with TruckLogics? Get a 15-day free trial. There's no obligation and no credit card information required.